Macworld 2010, TiPb.com. We are here with NAVIGON MobileNavigator and Bernd. How's it going, Bernd?
Hi, good, thank you. Nice to meet you.
All right, so tell us about NAVIGON.
Yeah, well, with NAVIGON, you might know we're not only the first ones that put a comprehensive navigation application onto the iPhone, we also were the first ones that integrated real-time traffic on the iPhone. We were the first ones to put in Google Live Search into an onboard application on the iPhone. And now we're coming out with 3 new features we just announced a few days ago, which is, for example, Panorama View 3D. You see on this little demo here. So we integrated data we get from NASA, elevation data, into the map, which shows mountains as they are in reality with valleys. A digital sun is into this that provides shades and sun. So the application, the map, looks like in reality, looks really beautiful, and also provides a very good orientation.
With the iPhone, are you paying more attention to how things look and what the user experience is than you might with the previous generation devices?
Absolutely. So the iPhone, of course, is a really special device also in terms of user interface. So we tried from the scratch to do everything really iPhone-like, not just port an existing version, but do it really special.
So the NASA, does that actually help you drive, or is that just to give you more of a grounded, real feeling in the application?
It's both. So of course it's really, you see on the screen what you also see out there when looking through the windshield, but on the other hand it really is good for orientation. You see there's a mountain, you see there's a road going around, you get exactly the same impression.
Make sure you don't aim for the mountain.
Exactly.
You had some other new features in the update as well.
Yes, another cool new feature is shown back there. It's called NAVIGON My Routes. This feature provides the user up to 3 routes where you can choose from, and choose from these routes the one that fits best. So it also constantly learns from your driving behavior, checks what times or what speed you're speeding, on what different road types, on different days a week, times a day. So it provides you the best route for you and also the best estimated time of arrival.
And you also announced a new almost like a plug-in architecture. Is that a good way to describe it?
Yes. So this thing is something that not only targets the end consumer that much, but more the developer. So there's a lot of applications out there that provide great location-based content. The restaurant finders, whatever finders on the iPhone, beautifully done. And we are experts in navigating. So why not bring these both together and let them interact? So we opened our application, provided a little interface for developers where they can just shoot their point of interest, the address, the coordinate, whatever, to our application. Then the application launches and you can navigate right there.
They get to do what they do best and you get to do what you do best.
Absolutely.
And the user gets a familiar interface for all their navigation use.
That's exactly what it is. So you don't need to integrate everything into one app. There's a lot of cool apps on the iPhone and they can interact, and it's just one platform for a lot of interaction.
So you're doing all the heavy lifting with Apple so you don't have to.
Exactly. That's what we're trying to do.
All right, so I'm sure you heard Apple has announced a bigger, larger version of the iPhone called the iPad. Did you run out to your car and try to see where it would fit immediately?
Of course we did. Unfortunately, we did not get our hands on that cool device, and I think also some windshields in cars might not actually fit with the iPad. But I think when it comes to iPad, there's a lot of cool new things that we could explore. I assume it's really a perfect device for route planning, for tour planning, making some trip planning, putting in travel guides, city guides, whatever. A nice big map, and then maybe transfer the route to the iPhone and use for navigation afterwards. But we all need to wait to have that device in our hands, and we are sure to do some cool things.
At least your app will work on an iPad 3G out of the box.
That's what we heard from Apple. That is
fingers crossed.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you very much, Bernd. That's fantastic.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you.
Again, the iPhone blog, Macworld 2010, NAVIGON MobileNavigator.